Manual tuning of your BT YouView box is essential for optimizing your viewing experience in 2025. Understanding when and why to manually tune can solve many common reception issues. Modern BT YouView boxes use a hybrid system combining Freeview digital terrestrial television, known as DTT, alongside internet-based services. This dual approach provides both broadcast channels and on-demand content. You might need manual tuning if you experience weak signal strength below 45 decibel microvolts. Signal quality should be above 60% for reliable reception, but many factors can affect these levels. 4G and 5G mobile networks can cause significant interference with your TV signal. Recent firmware updates include better filtering, but manual tuning is often still required to find the clearest channels. Transmitter maintenance and frequency changes require manual retuning. The automatic retuning system cannot always detect these changes, especially when channels move to different multiplexes or transmitter power levels change. Manual tuning addresses issues that automatic retuning might miss. It can recover missing channels, improve signal quality by up to 30%, and reduce pixelation and dropout incidents by up to 65%, ensuring you get the best possible viewing experience. The first step in manual tuning is to assess your current signal strength. Your signal should ideally be above 60% for reliable reception. Next, access your YouView Box settings menu using your remote control. Navigate to the manual tuning or channel scan option in the settings. You'll need to know the correct multiplex frequencies for your local transmitter. These frequencies vary by location and can be found in channel frequency tables or online databases. Perform targeted scans on specific frequencies rather than full channel scans. This approach is more efficient and provides better results for problem channels. Monitor the bit error rate during tuning. BER measures digital signal quality. It should be below 2 × 10⁻⁻⁴ for error-free viewing. Finally, follow these best practices for optimal results. Perform tuning during stable weather conditions. Ensure all aerial connections are secure, and organize your channels in logical order after scanning.